I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity.
G'day guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have the official launch of the Fractal Design Definus 2 Vision RGB case. What you will notice with this case is we actually have 4 Fractal design fans. Unfortunately, there isn't 6, so we could not include the Fractal design fans for the top with our Fractal design AIO cooler. However, we did try and choose 2 fans that did look very similar to the Fractal design ones. So as I said, with this case, you do get those included 4 fans, or you could just get the blackout version if RGB is not your style. Now the case does have the tempered glass front panel and side panels as well. However, there is plenty of ventilation at the front due to this nice gap right here of about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, which is sucking in air from the sides. And then you have options of either having that tempered glass up the top for looks, or you can change it to a different bracket, which allows for better airflow in this case. So looks versus performance is totally up to the user. Now this is a quick all-in-one cooled build because we do have lots of stuff coming up for Computex, so we did manage to get this build done on time for the launch date. If you guys do enjoy this case, I'll try and leave a link somewhere in the description. It might be a bit hard because nowhere will probably have it for sale yet, so you may have to do a bit of research when it comes to purchasing this case. Inside we do have an all ASROCK themed build, AMD CPU. Basically, the specs are not what we did this build for. It was more just to showcase this case. So we went for a full RGB build because obviously the highlight of this would be the new RGB fans that actually come with this case as well. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this build, be sure to leave a like, consider subscribing, check out more videos on the channel. I'll try and leave all specs in the description for you guys. They are Amazon affiliate links if you would like to help us out at no expense to you. And of course, we do have a Patreon. Check that out as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.
G'day guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, I'll provide 2 more PC builds up the top for you guys to go and watch right now. They are awesome builds, so I definitely recommend going to check them out. Thank you so much, guys. Consider hitting that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next week for our weekly PC builds.